The London look. In this video, I'm giving you the perfect sultry makeup tutorial for a night out in London, followed by a vlog of my adventures in England. This video has two parts. First, I have a step-by-step makeup tutorial for the makeup look I wore during my travel, followed by outfit details so you can know how to achieve my slay from head to toe. And second, tune into my relaxing England vlog featuring clips from my travels because
we're London vibes. Oi mate.
Part 1, the London look. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that I finally had the chance to edit all of the footage that I took when I was visiting my best friend Charles in London. And there's nothing better to start off a vlog than to have a makeup tutorial included. So I thought that I would show y'all how I just did this quick little look on the floor of my bestie's living room. You know the vibes. When you're traveling and you have to go to the club, but you don't even have a mirror or a light. It was literally just me, my Nars blush mirror, the overhead living room light, and a dream. But you know what? I put together this look and I loved it so much. So this trip was my first time back to England since I was literally a junior in high school. I went with my Girl Scout troop, which is, in my opinion, so sweet because we were celebrating us entering our senior year of high school and the fact that the troop I was in had been together since we were in 3rd grade, and we still had at least like 15 Girl Scouts, which is really rare for Girl Scouts of our age. So I don't know, I just think that's so sweet. But it was beautiful going back to visit London and to see a friend who was settled in and knew his way around and had his favorite places and friends. So I feel like I got to have such a fun, immersive experience versus if I were just visiting on my own and didn't know where to go myself. You know what I mean? When a bestie's settled, they're your personal tour guide. But if you know me, you know that traveling is one of my favorite things to do in the world, and I just feel so blessed to also have friends with the same, interest in traveling, and also friends who live around the world so I can go and visit them. It's the sweetest time, genuinely. But on this channel, I really hope to do a lot more travel vlogs. So something y'all may not know about me is that I'm an ecology and evolutionary biology PhD student. I'm only a first year, but I study bat disease ecology, and as a part of my job as a student, I get to do field work, and a lot of the field work I do is international. So I think it would be so fun to be able to incorporate some makeup and with some biology and with some travel in videos. So I'm definitely excited to see how I approach that. But as for the makeup, as y'all have seen, I just did the same exact base routine I do in all of my videos. Old faithful, she does what she gotta do. But circling back to being a PhD student, my current job as a student is what makes it so hard for me to consistently release YouTube videos. I have a whole other video that I still need to edit, and I'm about to record another video this weekend. So know that I'm not putting in work. Y'all, I'm really trying. I see your comments that you want more videos, but don't you worry, Pookies. Because of your support, I won't give up. I won't give up. Because I feel like I'm always a person who obsessively does something for a period of time, and then I'm I don't want to play with you anymore, and then I never look back. But I feel actually with makeup, it's one of my few hobbies that I haven't gave up throughout my life. So you know what? Let me pat myself on the back for that. Now back to the makeup. Of course I'm using the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. Please, Fenty. Y'all not gonna send me PR? Come on. Anybody? Anybody watching? Like, I'm just asking. And Claropsyche, like, I use y'all products in every video. Like, come on. Hit me up, please. But you know me, y'all. I love a little cat eye eyeshadow moment and a sparkly lid. And as you can see, this look was so chill and so easy. And I also feel like it's an easy look to dress up or down. Like, you can do this eye makeup and wear foundation and concealer, or just have an absolutely bare face. I think that smoky eyes go perfect with the dark circles. Like, and I don't think anyone can deny that, because the smoky eye gives the illusion of a dark circle anyway, so who cares? But yeah, so now just to top up the eyes, I put on my lashes. Like I say in most videos, I think these are the Monhua lashes. But yeah, any lash that looks good for you, like whatever works for you, will look beautiful. But OMG. So when I was in London, literally the first day I got there, or maybe the second day, all my friends sent me one of my friends, Jane's Instagram story, and was like, oh my god, Jane's in London now too. And I'm like, what the heck, Jane? I did not know you're gonna be in London. And then we got a chance to go to their DJ set, and then me and Jane also spent the day together. So I'm like, what? Like, I just lucked out this trip. Like, it was genuinely so fun. And recently I've been obsessed with having either a frosty lip and liner, or like a bloody like berry or a red lip, because it just makes me feel so like mature, but like in the best way possible. But this is the final look, and oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. But now we're on to the outfit deets. Let's get dressed. So first I have this PVC like vinyl bra. I literally think I brought this for my junior prom after party, which is sending me so bad, but it's lasted this long. Although the brand, I ain't promoting them. Forget that brand, they don't deserve promo. And then so I'm putting on this bolero that I have, that I got in this 3-piece set that I got from the beauty supply store. So this is one of the pieces. It's so cute. Like, y'all, you need to go to the beauty supply. And then this is another part of the set, which is like a dress slash skirt, and it has kind of like a bow pattern when stretched. But I love, like, people see me wear this bolero a lot, but you know what? I don't care. It's good to have staple pieces, you know? You don't need to buy a new fit for every event. But yes, this is the slide. And then, okay, so I brought these platforms because I was too lazy to go with the shoes I actually wore from downstairs. But, you know, they give you the same look. Anyway, this is the final look. And yes, love this outfit so much. I love wearing black. Love to have a little pixie too. But now it's nearing the next part of this video, Englandvlog. Close your legs. This is insane. I love it though.
Now you can make snow angel. This is like the most fun I've had at a gallery in a long time.
Yeah. A bender.
I want to wash them all.
No, like on the actual thing, it's not as bad.
I kind of like it though. It's very like aesthetic.
Hey y'all.
Guys. We're in London vibes.
We're in London vibes.
Putting your girl in the back of the butt.
Okay, twigs, like. The FKA Twigs like release thing in LA. I almost got football American.
Like that sounds kind of like it's so weird to see this shape because I literally haven't seen like you.
Hey, I didn't mean to put your stress on the camera, but slay, so cute. I'm so excited to try it.
Between 11 and 12:30. And 12:30. It's in like Elephant Castle. Or like Borough kind of. Home first.
It's a video.
Yeah. Everyone's so cute.
It's just like black, but it's definitely like a lot. Like school here is like cheaper, but like here compared to like Germany or some shit, like it's much more expensive.
I see, I see.
We should play Legal Baby and Last Laugh.
Sorry, I'm like trying not to zoom in here.
I was trying. Our school is in like kind of like a dead zone location, and that there's like it's just like there's not really like any fun stuff going on. So I was trying to like live near there and also close-ish, as close as I could get to like Hackney Wick and stuff.
Yeah, I like that stuff.
Yeah, safe because there's like it's alive. It's not just like scary like walking through the dark night.
Yeah.
And there's like all like that's like a gay like there's hella gay bars. Other Yankees have like a mountain.
Yeah, it's crazy. Something. I just love your faces so much.
Just finish this one.
Whoa! And I love this, like, the hand holding rainbow. Wow. They're so cute. Wait, the skeleton hand is crazy. It's amazing. Period.
Here we are out in London.
Howdy.
Art.
Slide. It's giving Twilight low-key. Me, anytime something's green in the forest.
I mean, like, why is it that color?
I don't know. Maybe like
I want to go around there, but like the waves, I don't want to get caught.
yeah, no. So I don't think we could make it.
Look at the fall. Hey, in that beat, with that clap, with that clip. Hey, hey, with that beat, with that, hey.
Like, you need an artist retreat out here, cause period.
Should we go up today?
Where are we?
We're in England.
Oh.
It's heaven out there.
It's heaven out there. Feels like the end of the world.
We're gonna go to club tonight.
You're going to club?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Where's that?
I don't know.